How to check your DBS debit card transaction and details via the Digibank mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can check your debit card transaction details via the Digibank mobile app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now you can actually now view your details on pending or declined transactions and up to past 6 months of transaction history via the Digibank mobile. Step 1 is to simply log into the Digibank mobile with your Touch ID, your Face ID or your Digibank user ID and PIN. Once you log in, you will see this kind of interface. First, just make sure that you are under the home tab from the bottom left, and then tap on deposits and select the account that you wish to view. So just make sure to tap and expand the menu called deposits and simply select the type of account that you wish to view. And here you may actually view up to the past 6 months of transaction history, including pending transactions. So you can see the past 6 months: September, October, November, December, January, as well as pending or declined transactions. Now on the next page, you may also actually view your pending or declined transactions under the pending tab, and you can actually tap on it to view more details if you wanted it to. And all of the details of your declined transaction or your pending transaction will basically show up after you expand those menu. Once you've done that, details of your transaction will be displayed. Keep also in mind that you may retrieve useful transaction information such as categories, payment type, transaction approval code, and reason for decline on this particular page. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then check your debit card details for your DBS bank via Digibank mobile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.